Top 20 IEEE projects for electrical engineers. Number 20, Smart Grid implementation for efficient power distribution. Design and develop a smart grid system to optimize power distribution and reduce energy losses. Number 19, wireless power transfer for electric vehicles. Investigate wireless charging technologies for electric vehicles to enhance convenience and reduce the need for physical connections. Number 18, IoT based energy monitoring and management system. Build an IoT or Internet of Things solution for real time energy monitoring and efficient management of electrical systems. Number 17, design and optimization of photovoltaic systems. Optimize the design parameters of photovoltaic systems to maximize energy generation efficiency. Number 16, fault detection and diagnosis in power systems using machine learning. Apply machine learning algorithms to detect and diagnose faults in power systems for timely maintenance. Number 15, smart home automation using voice recognition. Create a voice control home automation system to enhance convenience and energy efficiency. Number 14, design of efficient power electronics converters. Develop advanced power electronic converters for high efficiency power conversion and renewable energy integration. Number 13, optimal power flow control in microgrids. Design control algorithms for optimal power flow management in microgrid systems to ensure stability and reliability. Number 12, energy harvesting from renewable sources for wireless sensor networks. Investigate energy harvesting techniques to power wireless sensor networks using renewable energy resources. Number 11, secure communication in smart grids. Design and implement secure communication on protocols for data exchange in smart grid systems to ensure privacy and prevent cyber hazards. Number 10, intelligent energy management system for buildings. Develop an intelligent system to optimize energy consumptions in buildings through real-time monitoring and control. Number 9, FPGA based real-time power quality monitoring. Implement a real-time power quality monitoring system using field programmable gate arrays. Number 8, advanced control techniques for wind turbines. Explore advanced control strategies for optimizing the performance of wind turbines under varying wind conditions. Number 7, design of efficient electric motor drives. Develop energy efficient motor drive systems with advanced control techniques for various applications. Number 6, intelligent traffic management system. Design an intelligent traffic management system using sensors and algorithms to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Number 5, smart water management system using IoT and data analytics. Create an IoT based system that collects and analyzes data from water distribution networks, enabling efficient monitoring, leak detection, and water resource management. Number 4, real-time power demand forecasting using artificial intelligence. Use AI techniques to forecast power demand in real time for effective load management and grid stability. Number 3, design and analyze of high voltage power transmission systems. Analyze the performance and reliability of high voltage power transmission systems and propose design improvements. Number 2, hybrid renewable energy systems for remote areas. Design hybrid renewable energy systems combining solar, wind, and energy storage technologies to provide reliable power in remote areas. Number 1, electric vehicle charging infrastructure planning. Develop algorithms and methodologies for optimal placement and sizing of electric vehicle charging stations in a given area. Which one you liked, let us know in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.